ATCH stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So I'm looking at Atlasclear Holdings. I see the price from this like daily chart as like the price is melting down, to be very frank, and I'm not a big fan. I mean, let's keep going. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so I've definitely seen what's working for me and what's not. We can see this thing that has been like heavily reverse splitted, you know, like we had like a reverse split happening in the beginning of the year. And yeah, I'm still like not that big of a fan. I mean, yeah, these things are high risk, high reward. Ticker symbols like this. Aldo has gone down 31%. The chances are, just to be very frank, that if it goes up and down, then actually clears these lows with a full candle close, then it's just a whole different ball game where I'm just shorting at that time. But like, am I really willing to short sell this? We'll see. Let me know what is your opinion, and then if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.